Today we went down to the Perry International Festival in Perry, Georgia. There were several food trucks and street vendors that offered a lot of variety of items to choose from. Oh yeah, these cars were my favorite spot to visit. We did choose some Korean barbecue for lunch.
So you guys have a great, safe afternoon.
In case you're wondering who that guy was, he's the mayor, Mayor of Perry.
The dragon. So we want to give you a little bit of information about why it's not a dragon. Dragon dance performances for us, we run a long serpentine creature that looks exactly like the mythical creature you would see as a dragon. Its face is fierce and its body looks like a snake. You can see this creature does not look like a snake at all. It's furry and cute, so quite different. So the lion and the dragon's purpose are the same, to chase away evil and bring prosperity and good luck. The stories behind the lion dance kind of go back to a 1,000-year dynasty called the Han Dynasty. People believe that an emperor had a dream that this creature saved him, and he wanted that luck to be shared by everyone. So he created the creature to be performed yearly so that it'd be able to bring good luck to people who would be the onlookers for various occasions.
Did you hear the dog barking? Yeah, the dog got a little confused and started barking. Didn't know what that was. 20 countries, that's 20 cultures that were there celebrating the International Festival that day in Perry. I hope they have this festival again next year because I look forward to going to it. We had a great time. City of Perry did a great job. Let us know. Do you have something like this close to where you live at? Leave a comment down below. And we'll catch you at the next stop. Thanks for watching.